So the Insta360 X4 has got an update, well, more specifically the application and the AI editing in 360. There's some really interesting updates. There's three in particular I want to talk about in this video today. I've been using the Insta360 X4 for, well, since release. This thing is absolutely fantastic. I'm a massive fan of Insta360 cameras. I've been using the 360 ones since the X2, which was a great camera, but they've made some huge leaps over recent years, especially when it comes to AI, 360 editing and the ease of use of these cameras. They're really fun cameras to use, and that's why this always stays in my camera bag. So let's dive into the application and show you exactly what they've improved with the AI editing in 360. Here we are, we're in here, and the first thing they've improved is better scene recognition of your footage. So basically the AI will be able to make a better job of determining what you're doing in your scene, whether it's travel, whether it's a family vlog, whether it's biking, snow sports, diving. No matter what you're doing with the camera, the AI now will make a better job of recognizing what you're doing in the scene and adjust the auto edit and make you a really good video without having to mess about with any keyframes or anything. So I'm going to go into my bit of footage here. I'm going to select this particular shot, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to AI at the top of the screen and then press AI analysis auto frame. This actually tells the application that you want to use the AI edit, and it analyzes it best for moving scenes like biking, you know, snow sports, those kind of things, and it really does a good job. So let's see what it actually comes up with. This is what it's actually produced. It started off with a tiny planet shot, and you can see that it's given me selfie shots. You can see that it's given me scenery shots of where I'm riding. A lot of the bike, we're given a bit of a speed ramp there to make the scenery go a bit faster, and yeah, we're getting a shot now of the bike again. So the AI has done a much better job of editing the scene that I asked it to edit and recognise that I'm riding a bike. So that's a great feature. The next one is it actually has a better highlight recognition. So now we can go into this bit here where it says clips at the bottom, and it actually gives you different things like riding selfie, riding forward view and other, and then you can select a multiple of these or just select individual of those, and you can either edit them, you can edit the view, or you can go to auto edit and then choose which ones you want to edit and which ones you want to auto edit a bit further in the next scene. So we're going to select all of these just for this example. Just press that little tick at the bottom of the scene. That was selected, and then we can press auto edit. But you can see that the application has given you different versions of your video, different clips of your video. If you don't want all of the clips in that auto edit, you can select different ones, and it does really make a difference with the recognition again of the scene, because it's giving you riding selfie, riding forward view and other, so it knows that you're riding a bike, which is just bonkers. And then you can go press auto edit and it renders out the video for you to take you to the next improvement of the application. You've selected your auto edit, you've selected your clips, you've selected your highlights. No matter what bit you've selected from the AI edit, you can go in here, and we've got a new template and new movements feature. So we've got new templates along the bottom. We've got featured, general, life, vlog, sport and travel. Let's just go featured, because this one is probably the best one for this particular bit, which is journey. You can press a template and it adds that template to your video, which is fantastic. Let's take it one step further. Now you see these clips that are all in your auto edit at the bottom here. We can select one of these if we don't like the way the clip looks, and we can select movement, and then in here, which you can see your clip on the bottom is selected, there's different customized movements that you can select to edit your clip even further and make it stand out even more. So let's go for that one, that's locked on, or we can press sky and that will do that kind of shot, or we can press zoom roll and it will give us that zoomy roll effect. There's loads of different ones in here. I like that zoomy roll effect, so I'm going to press yes. We're going to press the tick, and that is added to your auto edit, and then we can just go over here and press export to phone. We can do quick export or custom. Let's make sure it's in 4K and the bitrate all the way up. Might take a little bit longer with the export, but that's not a real problem. And then press export, and that is the improvements for the 360 footage. Basically what it does is it just gets rid of the whole thing of adding keyframes, manually editing your 360 video. You can still do that in the application with the quick edit by using the gyroscope, or you can go for the Pro where you can move it around and add the keyframes yourself. So you still have those options if you want to deep dive into your edit. But the AI now is getting really advanced. It's getting better and better with each update of this application, and we're nowhere near peak AI, of course we're not, but it's just got that much better with this update for the Insta360 X4. If you do want to grab one of these, there will be a link in the description down below, and I think Insta360 are giving away a free gift like a selfie stick with each purchase through that link. So yeah, that'll be down there, and make sure you subscribe. If you like these kind of videos, check out this one over here, and you might like this one over there, Insta360 X4. Oh, I love this camera.